Hello guys, welcome to the next video on HTML tutorial for beginners using HTML5. In this video we will see how to download and install few editors for developing HTML web pages. Now in this video I'm going to talk about two editors. One is really simple and easy, which is Notepad++, and second is Eclipse IDE, which is really advanced but easy to use. Okay, so first of all, how to download and install Notepad++. You just need to search for Notepad++, and the site here will pop up, will be from notepad-plus-plus.org. Just click this link, and if you want to read more about Notepad++, you can read it from here, but otherwise you can go to download, and in here you have this Notepad++ installer. Just click this, it will be downloaded in the form of exe file. Just run it. It's really simple and it will be installed in 1 minute, I can say. So once you have installed Notepad++, you just need to click this icon here and it will look like this. And for the first time when you want to create a HTML file, you can just click new from here or go to file and click new and then save it as. So just right click on it and save as, and choose the folder where you want to you want to create this file, and in the extension you need to choose HTML from here, and then you just need to give the name to your file, for example test.html, and save it, and it will be saved in the form of HTML, and you can start writing your HTML code like this. Okay, so once you have written your code, you can save it and then just go to run, and then you can launch your code in Firefox, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Safari, or other browsers, right? So this is Notepad++. Now in order to install Eclipse IDE, it can be a little bit overwhelming, but I can guarantee you it will help you in the longer run. So for installing Eclipse IDE, first of all you need to have Java JDK installed on your system, and Java you can install it by going to the Oracle website. So just search for Java JDK, and the first link which will pop up here will be from oracle.com and then some extension. Just click this link here and you will see Java here. I will put the link in the description of the video which I have made to install Java JDK on your Windows operating system, so you can see it and see how we can install Java JDK on our Windows operating system, including the environment variables. Okay, so just click that link and then you can see how I have installed Java JDK. Once you have installed Java JDK and set up your environment variable for Java JDK, then you can go to install Eclipse IDE. Now in order to download Eclipse IDE, the simple thing is to search for Eclipse download, and the first link which will pop up here will be from eclipse.org/downloads, and go here, and in here you will see variety of Eclipse IDE for developing Java, for developing C++, PHP, and other languages, but what we want is Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Okay, so we want this first link which says Java EE. Okay, and if you read it carefully, it says tool for Java developer creating Java EE and web applications. So we are going to develop web applications, that's why we want to use this, right? Now in order to download it, you need to know which operating system you have. You have 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system. In most of the cases you will be having 64-bit, but just be sure which operating system you have. I have 64, so I will click 64-bit operating system here, and then you will see this download link from the mirror which is closest to you. Mine is this mirror which is closest to my location. or you can see other download links when you scroll down, right? And they even have some links which are faster. For example, IBM, you can click this link and you will be able to download Eclipse IDE really fast from these sites. And in order to download it, you just need to click download 64-bit, right? And click save. Okay, now it's a relatively bigger file. It's around 270 megabytes, so you need to wait for a few minutes to download this file. I have already downloaded this file, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this folder where I have downloaded this zip file. So this will be a zip file with the extension zip. You can see here in the properties, right? Now you need to extract this, so right click on it, extract all, and give the location where you want to extract this file. Okay, so I'm going to give the location where I want to extract this, which is inside this folder which I have created, and I will click OK and I will click extract. And this extraction also going to take some minutes because it's a big zip file, right? So this extraction is going to take few minutes. In a meanwhile, you can grab some coffee or some tea for you while it's extracting, right? So once your Eclipse zip folder is extracted, it will look like this. So there will be an Eclipse folder, and when you go inside this Eclipse folder, you will be able to see all these files. And what you need to do is you need to choose this Eclipse, which has this Eclipse icon here, and right click on it, and you can see these options. You can pin it to your taskbar. This will pin this Eclipse to the taskbar, and you can even make a shortcut for Eclipse, and you can drag and drop this shortcut to your desktop here, and then you can open Eclipse from here. Now double click on Eclipse, and for the first time when you open Eclipse, this is the common error. If this error doesn't appear to you, then it's really good, but this is really common error which says JVM terminated, exit code is equal to 2. And if you face this error, then how to solve it? You can solve it really easily. So what you need to do is you just need to go to your search option and search for system here, and in the system you just need to click advanced setting, and in advanced setting go to environment variables, and in environment variables go to path here. Okay, and in the path you will be able to notice here that there is a wrong Java path which is by default added by Windows 8. I don't know how it's added to this path variable. You need to remove it, right? So it will look like this. This path is something like C:/program data/oracle/java/java path. You just need to remove this with semicolon. Okay, so in my case it's at the first place. I will remove it from here, and make sure that the real Java path is already provided in your environment variable, which will be something like C:/program/file/java/jdk/bin and jre/bin. Okay, and click OK and click OK and click OK, and then once again when we run our Eclipse, it will run. Okay, so double click it and now it's running. Okay, so this is the simple way of solving this problem. Now for the first time when Eclipse starts, it will ask you for choosing your default workspace. The workspace is nothing but the location where all your project will be saved. Okay, and it will give you the default option also. So just choose the default option from here and click OK. Now you will be able to see this kind of perspective in Eclipse. So this is for the first time when you open your Eclipse IDE it will look like this. Now creating your project, you just need to go to here files and go to new, and here you will be able to see so many options for creating projects, right? So let's create a quick project in Eclipse for developing HTML files. So what you need to do is you just need to go here new and choose static web project. So just choose this static web project, and in here give the name to your project, for example my test project, and you can click next to see what are the other options. This will be your content folder name, and then click finish and click yes. And once you click yes, what you need to do is you just need to go here at the left hand side, and just below your file there will be a small button which says restore. You just need to click this button here, and then you will be able to see your project here. Okay, and here you can see the welcome screen. You can just resize it, or you can just close it from here like this, and then you can go to your project, and in here you will be able to see this web content folder. Right now it's empty, so you can right click it and you can create a new HTML file. So just go to new and then click HTML file option and give the name to your HTML file, for example test.html. okay, click next, and these are the default options, and then click finish, and it's going to create a HTML file with some default content for you. Right now, in order to run this, I will just quickly run this, but I will describe all this code in the next video line by line. Let's run it once. Now to run this HTML file, what you can do is you can go to your project once again and go to this web content folder, and here is your test.html file. So you can right click on it, and then you can just click open with, and click open with web browser. Okay, and it's going to open your HTML file in the web browser, which is inbuilt in Eclipse. Okay, and if you change something here, so this is my test file, for example, you write something, save it. So to save it, you just need to click this button, and then once again when you refresh this web browser page, you will be able to see your message here. Right, so right click on it, open with, and in web browser, and you will be able to see your file in web browser. Okay, so this is the output of your HTML file. So in this way you can install Eclipse IDE for developing your static HTML pages in Eclipse IDE. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye.